Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg confit. First, gently crack 6 large eggs into a small, oven-safe dish. Ensure the yolks remain intact for the best results. Next, carefully pour about 2 cups of olive oil over the eggs, making sure they are fully submerged. Preheat your oven to a low 250 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing for a slow, gentle cook. Now, place your dish into the preheated oven. Let the eggs confit for approximately 45 to 60 minutes. The goal is to achieve perfectly set whites and wonderfully jammy yolks. Keep a close eye on them. Cooking times can vary slightly depending on your oven. You'll know they are ready when the whites are firm, but the yolks still have a beautiful, soft center. To elevate the flavor, you can infuse your olive oil with aromatics before adding the eggs. Try adding a few smashed garlic cloves and a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme. After cooking, gently remove the eggs and season them with a sprinkle of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. A tiny pinch of red pepper flakes adds a delightful kick. These luxurious egg confit are incredibly versatile. They are fantastic served simply on a piece of crusty toast, perhaps with some fresh avocado. You can also enjoy them atop a vibrant salad or alongside roasted vegetables. Don't forget to drizzle some of that delicious, infused olive oil over your dish. Store any leftovers in the oil in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.